Play that shit.
Demonstrate your favorite position.
Whoa. I'm on top.
Oh shit.
Fantasies about you don't feel right. It seems like I already lost my mind.
What's poppin'? Hey guys, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy Nasty. Actually guys, I'm here with my boy Bash on, you know what I'm saying? It's my boy right here.
You know the vibe.
You
man.
feel me? Hey man, today we feeling good, you feel me? So we were like, let's just go on a boat ride, you know, spoil ourselves a little bit. And we've been grinding, I can't lie, man, I can't lie. So guys, this is how the place is looking. Let me show you.
Show them how it's looking.
This is how it's looking. Got the beautiful ladies, you feel me? So yeah guys, I'm excited. I'ma catch you when I'm inside, you know what I'm saying?
5 minutes later.
Hey, Nasty, what do you say?
Hey guys, we inside right now, you feel me? Hey, the vibe is looking nice, I can't
Hey,
lie.
man. Say, what do you say?
The vibe is good, the vibe is good.
Vibe is good,
Vibe is
guys.
good.
I'm telling you, guys.
Sorry. Watch the lady, let the lady pass, you know. Gotta be a gentleman, you feel me?
What's a spoon like this?
Guys, I don't know if that's just scared, I don't know, man. You scared, bro? I'm nervous as hell, I can't lie.
Boat, hello everybody, hi guys.
Hello.
Right, so my name is Michael, I'll be your driver on board. I'm gonna take you for the 1 hour ride. So when we are now cruising and while we are going around, if you have any questions you may ask, I can assist you the best I can, alright?
Alright.
We enjoy ourselves.
Yeah. Nice. Amen. So guys, sometimes man, live life, enjoy, spoil yourself. Hold on.
Five minutes later.
Sit down, bro. Yo, sit down, man.
Hey.
Ah, shit.
Yeah.
Ah. Yo, guys, the waves are big, bro. The waves are too big, no lie, bro. What the fuck? Hey, guys, this is our captain. Hey, bro, hold on. I thought we were gonna fall. Check the waves, y'all. Check the waves. The waves are crazy, y'all. The waves are just. But hey, man, it's a good day. You feel me? I hope y'all enjoying the vlog. So, yeah, man. Check the caption, y'all. This guy crazy. Hey guys, check out. I want to tell you something, guys. The most important thing in life, man, make yourself happy, bro. You know what I'm saying? Life is too short. Like, it's only me and my boy, man, against the world. Oh, shit. Like another boat somewhere that side, you know what I'm saying? But guys, hey, man. Mr. Live,
Oh, tough. Yeah.
whoa, that was amazing, guys. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to lie to us. How was that shit, bro? Hold on.
Hey, that shit was crazy. Hey, but the craziest part when the
The boat was
went in-
going like
hey,
this.
bro, bro,
That shit was crazy. We nearly like fell down. The ladies got wet, guys. I never got that part, you feel me? But other than that, man, right now we're gonna go link up with our homies and then
Yeah, we'll see what
we'll see what the vibe and see what they're talking about. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, we're gonna catch y'all. Sure. Hey guys, your boy Cubano Bruno back again with another video for your boy. Check my lesson, guys. Today I'm not alone, as you can see. I'm with a beautiful queen here. What's your name, queen? The Ratto. That means love, right?
Yeah.
Ish, guys. You know I've been looking for love and I found myself the Ratto right here. How you feeling? Feeling good?
Feeling good, obviously.
Feeling good, ne?
Yeah.
So Lerato, I'm sure you want to know what's the video we're doing today, ne?
Yeah.
So today, guys, we're doing drink or day, you know what I'm saying? So basically, if you can't do the day, you better take a shot. You ready?
Yeah, you.
Okay. Can start. Fuck, bro.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
How?
That's a shot, boy.
I'm so short.
You gotta take a shot. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Holy fucking smokes, dude.
Okay, guys, you know I'm a gentleman, eh? So, ladies first.
Just dance for me.
I must dance for you.
Yes.
What type of dance you want? You know, there's so many.
Take.
Ah,
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
guys, I don't have a nyash, guys.
On me.
For real?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, my turn, yeah?
Let's teach talking.
Since she dared me to talk, I dare to talk for me.
Yeah, boy.
Because I feel like she can move.
Yeah. Let's go.
Do you need music?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, she's shy. Let me see. Oh, you shy? Okay. We're just getting started, you know?
No way.
Okay, your turn now.
Sing for me.
Yo, sing, guys. I can't sing. I'm taking a shot. I can't sing. Gagging, I'm a man. I can't lie.
Morning,
For
yeah,
real. I'm gonna take a shot.
Alright, this thing, man.
Okay,
Whoever discovered it.
my turn. Demonstrate your favorite position.
On you.
Yeah, you have to show me. I know you make. All right. Okay, I can see. Okay, I dare you. Since, guys, I've been looking at her lips like the whole time. I don't want to lie to you guys. I've been looking at her lips, eh? I want to know if she's a good kisser, you know. So I dare her. to give me a kiss for like 5 seconds, you know, nothing crazy.
Yo.
Let's go.
Nothing crazy. Ash. Hey, it's getting hard. It's getting hard.
Yo.
Okay, your turn.
I've got that much so try drinking.
Genzeni?
Finish
Two glasses? No. For real?
Yes.
Like 2 shots?
No.
2 glasses.
Full drink.
Oh. Like this drink or the...
Yes.
Or
No.
drink?
Drink.
A shot? Or like this drink?
No, like,
Drink.
like 4 glasses. You just put.
Oh,
Two
okay.
full glasses.
Of this drink?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yo, I was about to say shot. That's crazy. Okay. Like full. This is okay, ne?
Yeah. So she can-
Okay. Alright.
Let's go.
Another one.
Another one.
Damn, one more, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope she's ready for the next day because it's gonna be crazy. Oh. Okay.
12 time.
Okay.
Last day.
My turn,
let's
eh?
go.
Yeah.
After this, then it's your name. Hey, I've been taking shots, you know. I dare her to take a shot at least, you know.
Oh, yes.
That's okay? Okay.
That's a
right,
knock.
something right. Nothing too much, you know.
Hey,
Something
but if she drinks that, then hey,
you can drink small, then I'll finish it.
can you finish that? Oh,
Yeah. That's okay?
No, please.
Okay.
okay. Last day.
Last one is yours.
The last day I want you guys to do is give one another like a passionate kiss. You know,
Last one must be a
a
passionate
passionate
kiss.
kiss. Yeah, like
For
the,
5
you see the way
minutes.
she was twerking on you.
Yeah.
She must sit like that on
She
top.
must sit
Yeah.
in there, I must kiss her. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Jen on top.
Yeah.
Oh, she even know the position for me on top.
Oh yes, show me. I see.
The video, I'm gonna close the video. Hey!
Give me some booty.
I'm happy though.
Hold on, now clock it.
Yeah.
Don't even ask me, nigga. Know what I'ma do. Yeah, bitch better watch her tone, and fuck boy better watch his mouth. Yeah, smoking on strong, that's all we eat, and we right on the south. Yeah, Shawty just called my phone, I'ma give her a chance, I'ma see what she bout. Yeah, see you wonder why you can't get your money up, you're talking down. Bitch, you got to be crazy, ain't got nothing for you, baby. I can't be there for no young lady that got multiple babies. Real niggas ready, niggas be faking. I know they